Next, I will show you how the architecture of business partner looks now in SAP S/4HANA. Business partner records are now the central source and single point of entry to create, edit, manage, and display master data for business partners, customers, and vendors. So, business partner general data is also the replacement of general data in both customers and vendors. If you remember that in ECC, there are three segments for customer and vendor master data. For customer master, which are those segments, general data, company code data, and sales organization data. And similarly for vendor master, these are company code data, general data, and purchasing organization data. So general data is the replacement as a business partner master data for both customer and vendor master data. We can also take it as the highest level of hierarchy in vendor and customer master. So we use BP roles now to create business partner master data, customer master data, and vendor master data, which I will show you into SAP system. So if you go to the transaction code in SAP S/4HANA, that is BP, and you will have this screen open. So you have three options: person, organization, and group. So you have to know according to your requirement which type of master data you want to create. Either it's a person or an organization or it's a group. So let's say we want to create an organization. So click on organization. And by default, BP role, you can see here is 6 zeros. So BP role and in bracket it says general. So business partner general will be created by using this BP role. The second thing which you have to consider is grouping, which is business partner grouping. This field will be appeared only once. So you have to make sure that we will choose the relevant grouping which has been assigned to an number range. So so my account group is ZAZ1. So next I will choose the name of the company. Let's say it is Stratford Cars. And search term I will use Stratford. The second search term I will use just cars. And let's say I will use the name of the street, Stratford Road, house number 10. And postal code, I will just choose the random one, ST000SS. And city, London, country, GB, and I will choose the language as well. And similarly, you can fill all the information as per your requirement. And once you're done, so click Save. and the business partner will be created. That is 106. So this business partner can be extended either to create customer master data or vendor master data.